Hi everyone, welcome back to a new session. Today we are going to see some of the new features available in summer 22. So if in our day-to-day life, when you develop any Aura component or LWC component, most of the time we use JavaScript API. For example, let's say we wanted to show a alert message, so we use JavaScript alert. So if you wanted to prompt something, you wanted to confirm something, so you use the JavaScript API. For example, let's see here in my screen. Let's say this is a JavaScript alert. I am a JavaScript alert. So if you wanted to use prompt, let's say you wanted to enter something, some input from the users, so you can use JavaScript prompt. Similarly, you can use JavaScript confirm if you wanted to do some confirmation. Are you sure you wanted to delete like that? But going forward, this API is not recommended to use. So we should move to the alternate Lightning API. For example, instead of JavaScript alert, we should use Lightning Alert. Instead of JavaScript prompt, we should use Lightning Prompt. Instead of JavaScript confirm, we should use Lightning Confirm. This Lightning API is available for both Aura and LWC. So today, the session and the demonstration I am going to give you here is on LWC. But you can do the same thing in Aura as well. For example, if you have seen the JavaScript alert like this, right? If you see the Lightning alert, it is like this. If you see the Lightning prompt, it's little different but doing the same job. If you wanted to do the Lightning confirm, you see almost same to same. Only thing is the rendering position is a little different and the look and feel is little different. But we are almost doing the same thing what we are achieving through JavaScript alert, JavaScript prompt, and JavaScript confirm here in Lightning alert, Lightning prompt, and Lightning confirm. Okay, so we have seen the component. Now let's see the code, how it is written and how it is different from each other. Okay, let's move to my VS Code. Here I have a Lightning web component which I have given a name JavaScript to Lightning. So in its HTML part, you will see I have just created a table so that I can just align the things JavaScript to Lightning in a tabular structure so that it will be helpful to understand. So I have used the JavaScript alert, I have used the Lightning alert. Okay, it will move slowly, so we can see that even we'll see the example of JavaScript prompt as well as the corresponding Lightning prompt. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the JavaScript confirmation versus Lightning confirmation. Okay, these things are not very very new things because if you have already knowledge on the Lightning web component, you know that how to create a Lightning button and how to set the on-click event. Let's move to this JavaScript file. Here is the trick. Whatever we are doing, here is the trick. For example, you see, first we will check about the JavaScript alert. So to do that JavaScript alert to Lightning alert, Lightning confirm and Lightning prompt, you have to import these three things. Yeah, that means you have to import a Lightning alert, you have to import Lightning confirm, you have to import Lightning prompt. Then only you can do the Lightning thing. For example, here it is a simple JavaScript alert. I'm just writing alert, I am a JavaScript alert. But if you wanted to convert it to Lightning alert, this will look like this. I mean, this JavaScript alert, alternatively, you can use as a Lightning alert like this. You can use Lightning alert. If you know this one here, we already imported here. We just need to use the open method. Then we can provide a message what I wanted to alert. Let's say I'm saying I am a Lightning alert. The theme means how the look and feel. If you are putting success, a green color header will come. If you put error, a red color header will come. If you don't provide anything, a default will come. And the label at the top of the header, what you wanted to show. Similarly, if you move to Lightning confirm, one line of code is required for a JavaScript confirm. But if you do the same thing in Lightning confirm, you just have to write multiple lines of code, but this is more configurable. Just don't think like that is I'm adding more number of lines. But you can see that multiple configuration option I'm getting. I can do the message, I can do the variant, I can do a label like that. Okay. Similarly, if you do, oh, you will see the prompt. Okay. Prompt is also one line in JavaScript, but while doing it in Lightning, it may be multiple lines, but it is little different than other two. That is your alert and confirm. This time you are waiting for a callback here in case of prompt because user is trying to provide a input. So you can ask what is the input you are looking for. Let's say what is your name. In this case I have provided please provide your input, right? You can ask what is your name or you can ask what is your email ID like that. Then the label is nothing but kind of a header and the default value. If you wanted to set any default value, if user don't wanted to type, so what would be their default value? By default, what you accept? Okay, so like that you can do, and whatever you will get as a result, it's kind of a you can see here dot then result. That is because it's doing a callback. Okay, prompt has been closed. Once the prompt is closed, if anything provided in the input box and clicked OK, it will be captured. If nothing provided or clicked on cancel, you will see a null pointer here. Okay, I mean the input, the result will become null. So this is how it's a kind of a simple code, but this will help you make your Lightning component a future ready. That means if you are using the traditional version of JavaScript alert, JavaScript confirm, and JavaScript prompt, so once Salesforce stops supporting those things, you may hit into a problem. So to make your Lightning component future ready, move to Lightning Alert, Lightning Confirm, and Lightning Prompt. This is for today's session. It was a small session, but you can see a very good demonstration how we just compare between the traditional JavaScript and the Lightning JavaScript. I hope you would have enjoyed this session. If you like the video, please press like, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you wanted to share with your friends, please go ahead and share. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.